Yep.
Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
Wow. Wow.
She
just walks into it.
She's like her mama. She's a good little show dog.
Good girl. Step. Good girl.
Good girl, Hope. Good girl, Hope.
Ready?
She's 6 months today.
Good girl.
She tracks straight in the front.
Step. Okay, step. No, not yet, but you'll get there. There you go.
Good girl, Hope. Good girl. She's a lot calmer than Sparkle is.
Yeah? Oh, you sat down.
Look at her smiling. Hi.
Ready? Come on, baby girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
And she's doing good with you, too, for not
Not knowing me.
not knowing you.
Good girl.
Good girl, Hope. So I could probably put a handler on her if I need to.
Does that bring your shoulders out more or no?
Yep. Just a little high in the rump.
Too far?
Yeah, too far. Come up about, there you go. Whoop. Now the sun's shining on her, that's good. Nice shoulder on her, she's very thick.
Yeah,
nice straight front foreleg. Her hindquarters are nice. She's got a nice solid rear.
Good girl. You awesome.
Very muscular.
They just can't, at this age, can't hold it.
Can't hold their stack.
And, you know, thank goodness judges are a little more lenient on it.
Yeah. She's got nice straight hops.
When she gets, you know, she's
I think she'll
the lumbering because she's a baby.
Yeah.
But she's already got that drive where she kicks off,
Mhm.
where when she matures. Ready? Let's go. Good girl. Good girl.
I'm gonna be so tired.
She is. I usually do this when they're little, like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
For the day, because they just get so tired. Step, step, step. Bring it up, bring your foot up.
Good girl.